So right now I'm inside a clothing store. Actually, I own 85% of this business and this is my most recent business venture. Just 6 years ago, I was broke. I was a student. I had nothing, just a phone and an internet connection. In just 6 years, I have completely changed my life. So how did I do it? Most importantly, how did I start? Because starting is the most important one, right? So what I'm going to do in this video is teach you exactly what I did when I was starting out as a broke student. If you pay close attention and listen to every word in this video, and if you're willing to put in the work, I guarantee you in the next 4, 5 or 6 years, your life will completely change. This is my profile which has more than 500 5-star reviews and this was back in my hustling days. The reason why I'm being transparent about my profile is that a lot of times YouTubers make content like this, they actually didn't do what they are telling you to do. What makes this different is that I'm actually someone who did this, so I'm able to guide you exactly how this industry works. So I'll be really honest with you, when I started making serious money, I was actually not in college. I dropped out, but that doesn't mean you should drop out of college. You can actually be in college or even in high school and actually do this. And on average, you can make $600, $1,000 or $2,000 a month. It can be way more, but on average, I'd say around $1,000 a month. So what is this? Is this any secret? So basically, it is freelancing. Hold on, you might think it's not new. Freelancing is nothing new. Why am I wasting your time talking about something which everyone already knows? My question to you is, really? If you think you know freelancing, why aren't you making money? The thing is, most people assume freelancing to be this logo design, web development and all that, for which you may need a powerful computer, but it really isn't that complicated. Let me explain. There are many ways you can actually do freelancing and some are quite easy. It's something you can start tomorrow or maybe even today. So freelancing is the only thing which you don't need any money to start, and you need a smartphone which is either an Android or iOS, and an internet connection which is probably something you already have. So in short, what is freelancing? Freelancing in basic term is simply you providing a service to someone who needs that service and you get paid for it. Someone out there in this planet needs you. There are a lot of things which you can do which will take you like 20-30 minutes, but someone out there is willing to pay you 20, 30, 40, $50 for it. One example is manual captions for YouTube videos. Right now, I pay $15 for my YouTube captions. This is quite a simple task. Anyone can do it. So YouTube already has this auto caption, so they have all the text, and all that has to be done is simply edit the spelling and grammatical mistakes, which is auto-generated by YouTube. So this can take probably 20 or even 30 minutes maximum. So look at the number of subscribers I have, 2,000 I believe, right? So I'm paying $15 for my caption. So some YouTubers out there who is making thousands of dollars per month from their YouTube channel, they are paying a lot more. Some are paying $50, some are paying $100 just to caption their own videos. The other thing where you can get paid more is actually editing YouTube shorts. You can use apps like CapCut or InShot to actually edit YouTube shorts, and you might think it takes time to learn to edit. No, it is quite easy. You just need to add some text, some sound effects, and if you play around with the app, you can get this in like 10 days. And this is just an example. There are many things which you can do with absolutely zero scripts. Let me show you. So this guy right here, as you can see, he says create a UGC video from inside my car. UGC, it stands for user generated content. So what this guy is offering is literally nothing. He is just sitting inside his car and he will talk about whatever you want him to talk about. And this guy has 7,171 5-star reviews. And he is charging $165 for this one. You might think, what? It's so crazy. Why would someone pay $165 just for someone talking inside their car? The thing is, my friend, the world works differently for everyone, right? $165 for someone is not the same as $165 for another person. So someone out there, which is this guy, needs the $165, but some big companies or some big corporations or some wealthy person out there, they just can pay away this $165. By the way, you have to be careful because there are a lot of policies, like if you are promoting a scam or something like that, your profile can get banned. So be careful when you are doing this stuff. And this guy has 5,541 5-star reviews. So all this guy is doing is wishing someone their birthday or saying hi from Jamaican Beach. So what does this tell you? So this tells you have to be creative. Whatever resources are at the disposal of your hand, use it to actually create a service which you can actually sell to someone. So as for me right now, I'm making this video for free, right? I'm uploading this video on YouTube. No one is paying me for that. But what I can do is I can actually make a talking head video like this for someone and charge $200. Maybe I will actually provide this service, like make a 1-minute talking head video and charge $200. I remember someone making $30,000 a month, someone I know, and that was actually 5 times more than I make. Actually, I think I can find it. So let me just go to my WhatsApp. So let's actually go find it. All right. So I'm going to go to my WhatsApp, and here on the search bar, I'm just going to type 30K and let's see if we can find that message. If I can't find it, this part will not be on YouTube, by the way. So all right, here it is, 2021 September 14. My guy is making $30,000 a month, which is actually 5 times more than what I used to make. By the way, this is not the average revenue, this is the exceptional revenue. And also what he is offering is an actual service, which is in e-commerce and Facebook ads and dropshipping and all that, right? This is not a UGC generated content by sitting in your car, or this is not wishing someone a happy birthday, okay? You have to keep that in mind. If you want to actually make real money, then you have to learn a high income skill. Now you ask, where do I sell, right? So you have something which you want to sell, but like, where do you sell, my friend? So the platform which I used in the past, and my profile is still active, which you can see, and the profiles which I just saw you, those Jamaican Beach and that man in the car, it is in Fiverr. So Fiverr is a freelancing platform. It is like Amazon, but not for products, but for services. So whatever service you want to provide, you provide it in Fiverr, and it is free. You don't need any sign-up fee or monthly fee. It is free. Anyone can join. There is another platform called Upwork, and another one which I know, which is called freelancer.com. Let me tell you this though, it is not as easy as you think. You do need to have a good thumbnail, a good title, a good description. You just can't make a gig and expect someone will buy it. Very soon you will come to realize that it is not easy. So why are some people successful and some people are not successful? This comes down not in what you do, but in how you think, your mindset. There is a big difference between the mindset of someone who will win no matter what versus the mindset of someone who is a loser. So this mindset thing, I actually made an entire video documenting my 6 years journey as an entrepreneur. In that video, I revealed all the failures which I had, because some people assume that I was lucky, some assume that I was talented. In fact, I was not lucky and I was not talented. This will be an entire video because it's going to be quite long. The mindset approach to how to actually fight all the failures and how you should approach entrepreneurship in general. That is the video which I uploaded before this, so make sure you watch that video as well after you finish watching this video, because even if you think you know what to do, when you actually go out and do it, I guarantee you this also, it will not work. And that is normal. That is something which you will learn in my other video. And once you have that winning mindset, if you are willing to put in the work in the next 6 years, like me, your life will be completely changed 100%. I actually have an entire playlist dedicated to success in Fiverr, which I will link down below. I was someone who was actually practically working with freelancing, so the tips which I get is actually something practical. So apart from this Fiverr, Upwork, freelancer.com, there are also things which you can do, which is directly approaching someone. So for example, let's say my YouTube channel right here, the captioning, I'm paying $15, right? So someone out there, another YouTuber who has 3,000, 4,000 subscribers, he may also need captioning. So what you can do is you can simply email them and ask them if they need it. As simple as it sounds, like sending someone an email, most of the time you will not get a response, because there are many people who are sending emails as well. There are many freelancers, there are many video editors who are sending emails as well. So you need to know how to construct your email, you need to know how to share your service. If you want me to actually make a video on how to reach out to these people, these YouTubers or creators or entrepreneurs, let me know. I will actually make a dedicated video on how you can reach out to actually get clients. So if you're watching till the end of this video, I know that you are a winner. The only thing you need to do right now is to have the winning mindset. For that, I recommend you watch my video, which I will link down below in the description. So use your creativity, do it wisely, don't give up, have patience, and I believe in the next 4, 5 or 6 years, your life will be completely changed, like how I changed my life. And if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing because we do value here. And thank you for watching and see you in my next value video.